Struggling to focus, the solution is not doing more, it's in stilling more. Let's explore how Vedic meditation rewires your focus 1% at a time. Namaste, Karyans. Welcome back to the Vedic Productivity Talks. I am Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to do list coach, and you're listening to KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. Today's question is simple but powerful. Can meditation really help with focus? If you have tried focusing harder and still failed, this episode will give you a refreshing shift from pressure to presence. Let's be honest, we live in a hyper stimulated world, notification noise and non-stop thoughts. Our minds are in like browser with 50 tabs open. Here is what happens without focused attention. Tasks take longer, mistakes increases, energy gets scattered and eventually clarity disappears. So, what are the three Vedic solutions that you can practice immediately? Point number one, Pratyahara, the withdrawal of senses from the Ashtanga Yoga of the Rig Veda. This step teaches us to unplug from the external and tune in. Just take a baby step. 1 minute screen break every 30 minutes. I repeat, 1 minute screen break every 30 minutes. Just close your eyes and breathe. Point number two, Japa meditation, repetitions of mantras. Japa rewires the mind through vibration. The sound of Om calms your nervous system. What are the baby steps that you can take? Chant Om 11 times in the morning. It anchors your awareness like a reset button. Point number three, Trataka, that is lamp casing. This is powerful Vedic method to strengthen your dharana, that is one pointed concentration. What are the baby steps that you can take? Gaze at the lamp for 1 minute before bed. It trains your mind to stay in the present. Focus is not something you chase, it's something you cultivate. And meditation is not escape, it's alignment. 1% every day, and slowly the monkey mind becomes a meditative mind. If this is resonating with you, you don't just nod, act, and take actions. A small baby step actions that you need to take. Start your day with 1 minute of stillness. Join the KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub and how to learn and blend meditation and actions the Karyan way. Let's turn distractions into directions together. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.